This lesson is on finding the volume of cylinders. Just before we get to that formula, I just want to remind you that really a cylinder is just made up of a whole bunch of circles. And so if you know the area of a circle, which is pi r squared, all you have to do is multiply that by the height to get the total volume of a cylinder. Really quickly, remember radius is this distance from the middle to the edge. If you were to find the whole distance, that would be your diameter. So the formula for a volume of a cylinder is volume equals pi r squared times h. And so remember, each of these are multiplied by each other. So in this example, the volume would be pi, or 3.14, times your radius, which is right here, squared, times 5. So remember, radius squared would be 2 times 2, which is 4. You multiply all those together and you get 62.8. Try finding the volume of this cylinder. Use 3.14 for pi. The answer would have been 549.5. Find the volume of the cylinder. The answer would have been 1,139.82. Find the volume of the cylinder. The answer would have been 125.6. Looking at this problem, can you find what the difference is between this one and the other problems that we have been doing? It gives you the diameter instead of the radius. So to find the radius, you just have to find half of the diameter, which is 5. Now you can solve the problem just like we've been doing. And your answer would have been 471 inches cubed. So we're going to solve a couple word problems. This one says, the cylindrical giant ocean tank at the New England Aquarium in Boston is 24 feet deep and has a radius of 18.8 feet. Find the volume of the tank. Round to the nearest tenth. So this one would have been 26,635.2 feet cubed. One more word problem for the day. A drum company advertises a snare drum that is 4 inches high and 12 inches in diameter. Find the volume of the drum to the nearest tenth. And this one, did you catch that it gave you the diameter instead of the radius? So you would have had to divide that in half to get the radius. And then your final answer was 452.2 inches cubed. Have a wonderful day.